Morning, guys. Hey, told you I would try and take some video of me putting the sensor in. So I'm gonna do that this morning here. Got my package. Now, it's still cold out today. It's 0 out. I actually even had to put my onesie on. It is so cold out. So let's see what I got in my package, huh? And I still got that cold. I know, I can't get rid of this cough. Sometimes you wonder how they put these packages together, huh? Oh yeah, here we go. Looks pretty simple, don't it? Just hook her up. Now the thing they told me about when I got it, this new sensor has this new little piece on the side, right? It just sticks out a little bit. So on the old one, they actually told me I had to put a washer behind the magnet. So I'm going to show you what I did with that and how that magnet comes out, and this just connects right in. So it should be pretty quick and simple. Here we go. That is, if my fingers will take it. I know a guy's name is Matt. We used to call him Sasquatch. That guy, I think women must have loved that guy. His wife must have loved him. He could grab onto a wrench like this, and that thing would be hot by the time he let it go. I don't know where he got his blood flow from, but my fingers aren't like that anymore from running too many huskies. So 3 bolts there. And my fingers are freezing. Loosen this one up. I'll just take that right off. See how that sensor goes right on there? 3 little screws right there, and then right here is the magnet, and I shimmed that out, so I gotta take that off. Yep. I definitely don't want to lose this magnet. But see how I did that? They had me shim that out. That still wouldn't work. That's why they made the update. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Put the magnet back in. Tighten that up. Good to go there. Man, my fingers are cold. Undo this with the connection. Take that off. Now all I gotta do is take them off. I'm actually gonna go I'm gonna take this over to the truck, put that on the tailgate. I don't want to lose any of these little screws. Figure out that pattern. That should be good right there. Man, my fingers are cold. Not as young as I used to be. I gotta find that. There we go, that's tight. All right, simple as that, huh? We could just put that right back on. But I have to warm my fingers up. Then you gotta line the connection up, screw it together. I gotta start this thing back up and warm my fingers up. Alright. Sensor's in. Now we just gotta get this wrapped around here. That little notch right there, well, if I don't get that just right, that line in here is going to get cut. to move that a little bit. Let's move that again. I'll be right back. Now let's see how that will fit in there. I gotta go warm my hands up there. Alright, let's see if we can finish it off. Man, my hands are cold. They're just like stupid. Can't do anything. Numb. There we go. Okay. Time's like gloves. Knock that out. Okay, that's all there is to it. Now it's time for me to put the wrenches away, clean up, get warmed up. All right, guys. Telltale time. See if this thing will actually work. Measure it. I'll spin this thing around, and my fingers hurt till just a few minutes ago. Just about 15-20 minutes we were out there. That was enough. My fingers are killing me. Anyway, let's see what we got. Let's tighten that down. So we're gonna do a load of white pine clean chips. I'm gonna have to search little bit and find a few.